Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about trial balance, a fundamental statement in accounting. It helps us to verify the accuracy of ledger postings and ensures that the double entry system is correctly applied. By the end of this video, you will understand the meaning, definition, objectives, features, methods and preparation steps of trial balance. So coming to the meaning of trial balance. A trial balance is a statement prepared at a specified date that shows the closing balance of all ledger accounts. These balances are arranged in two columns, that is debit and credit. The main purpose is to check whether the total debit and total credits, ensuring that the books are arithmetically correct. It is an account button statement prepared from the ledger. So coming to the definition. So various authors define trial balance as a list of all ledger accounts balances prepared at the end of the accounting period to verify arithmetical accuracy. A statement that checks whether the total debit balance are equal to total credit balance. So the essential idea is the trial balance confirms the correctness of ledger posting under the double entry system. So now coming to the objectives of trial balance. So trial balance serves several objectives. Check arithmetical accuracy. It means to ensure the debit and credits total match. And then detect certain errors. For example, posting errors, balance errors and partial omission. Summarizes ledger balances. Provides a single overview of all the accounts. Facilitates finance account. It forms the base of preparing trading profit and loss account and balance sheet. Quick financial snapshot. Helps understand the financial position instantly. Ensures accuracy before finalizing account. Essentials for closing of books. So now features or characteristics of trial balance. So it is a statement, not an account. Prepared on a specified date. It shows all the ledger balance in one place. It has two main columns, the debit and credit. Ensures mathematical accuracy of posting. Summarizes the ledger in compact form. Forms the basis of financial statement. So follows the double entry system where every debit has a corresponding credit. So here methods of preparing trial balance. There are three methods for preparing trial balance. One is the total method, balance method and then total balance method. So total method, total of debit and credit from each ledger accounts are recorded. Balance method is the most common method. Only the net balance of each ledger accounts is recorded. Total of balance method, use both total and balance. So in practice, the balance method is widely used because it is simple and meaningful. So now coming to the format of a trial balance. The typical trial balance format includes serial number, ledger account name and then ledger account number optional, that is debit column, credit columns, that is debit balance and credit balance. At the bottom, total of debit and credit columns must be equal. Coming to the steps in preparing trial balance. So there are several steps for preparing a trial balance. Number 1, recording transactions in journal, posting them to ledger accounts, balancing ledger accounts at period end, listing ledger balance, entering debit and credit balance in a trial balance, totaling the column, checking agreement between debit and credit totals, identify and rectify errors if totals do not match, prepare final trial balance after correctness. So here these are all the different steps for preparing a trial balance. So here comes the format of trial balance. So all the expenses and assets will have debit balance. All the income and liabilities will have credit balance. So you have few ledger balances such as cash, capital, purchase, sales. So total of debit and credit columns emphasize that if they match, the trial balance is considered arithmetically correct. However, remember that some errors may still remain undetected. such errors of omission or principle. So this is an example of trial balance. So here you can see an example of trial balance which consists of cash account, supplies, equipments, account payable. So the total here is $18,350. So this is correct. So to conclude, a trial balance is an essential internal accounting statement. It ensures accuracy, summarizes ledger data, and prepares the foundation for creating final accounts. Each business must prepare a trial balance before finalizing financial statements.